Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make yummy rolls step by step. First, let's gather all our fresh ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of shredded carrots, half a cup of sliced cucumber, and a handful of crisp lettuce. Don't forget your cooked protein, like 8 to 10 medium shrimp, and a package of rice paper wrappers. Having everything prepped makes the rolling process smooth and enjoyable. Now for the fun part, assembling your delicious rolls. Take 1 rice paper wrapper and quickly dip it in warm water for about 15 seconds until it's pliable. Lay it flat, then arrange a small amount of your prepared fillings, like 2 shrimp halves, a pinch of noodles and some vegetables near the bottom. Fold the bottom edge over, tuck in the sides, and roll it up tightly. Practice makes perfect. Every yummy roll needs a fantastic dipping sauce. Let's make a simple peanut hoisin sauce. In a small bowl, combine 1/4 cup of hoisin sauce with 2 tablespoons of creamy peanut butter. Add 1 tablespoon of fresh lime juice and 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Stir in about 2 tablespoons of warm water until it's smooth. You can also add a pinch of chili flakes for a little kick. This sauce truly elevates the experience. Congratulations, you've made delicious, yummy rolls. Arrange your beautiful creations on a platter alongside your homemade dipping sauce. These rolls are best enjoyed fresh, so serve them right away. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 1 day. They make a wonderful light meal or appetizer. Enjoy the fruits of your labor.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.